In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to pin to screen on mobile on Wix. This is a simple and effective way to enhance the mobile layout of your website, ensuring that important elements like headers and social media icons are always visible and accessible to your visitors. Begin by finding your way into the editor. To do this, you need to first sign in to your account with Wix. After logging in, your next step is to open the site editor. It's here that you'll start the actual process. But before you proceed, you need to switch the perspective to mobile view. Locate the mobile icon, typically found among other navigation buttons in your site editor, and click it. Voila! You're now in the mobile editor view. This allows you to perceive your website as a visitor would on their mobile device. Now, you're going to enable certain toolbars that will be necessary for this process. There's a Tools icon situated in the top right of your screen. By clicking on this icon, you're essentially enabling the visibility of toolbars that will aid you in pinning elements to the screen. Your next course of action is to decide what element you would like to pin. Perhaps it's a catchy header that highlights your brand, or a social media icon that directs visitors to your other platforms. Whatever the element may be, simply click on it to select it. Having done that, the next step is to pin the element to the screen. To do this, right-click on the element you've selected. A prompt menu will appear on the screen. Within this menu, you will find an option labeled Pin to Screen. Click on this to pin your chosen element. After pinning the element, you will need to determine its position on the screen. A new menu will appear to allow you to do this. You can choose your preferred position, for instance, top left, middle, or even bottom right. Your choice would mostly depend on where you want your visitors to first lay their eyes when they visit your site. Next, you'll find an option to offset your pinned element. Within the same menu, there's provision to select the horizontal and vertical offset. This adjustment essentially aids you in shifting the element slightly from its pinned position, giving you more control over where it sits on the screen. Here, you can use a slider to adjust, or if you prefer precision, input a specific number for the offset. Lastly, it's time to preview and test your changes. Click on the Preview button to see how your pinned element looks and behaves on a mobile screen. Scroll up and down to ensure it remains pinned in the position you set. Experiment with your settings until you're satisfied with the look and feel. And that's it. You've successfully pinned an element to the screen on the mobile view on Wix. This tutorial has armed you with a handy design technique to enhance the user experience on your website. Practice these steps and keep improving your